Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add the correct answers to your forms in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official docs.google.com website right here, and you want to go ahead and open up the Forms application as you can see right here. And if you're logged into your Google account, then you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Forms application. So guys, you can see here is the forms where you can see all the forms that you already have. So guys, let's go ahead and open up one of our forms. If you do not already have a form guys, you can go ahead and create it by clicking the plus button right here and creating your form. But I have already created one, so I'm going to just go ahead and click on it, and it will now open up our form in a new page and we can get started with editing it. So guys, as you can see here, we have a question that I have selected. How many is just the question, and we have multiple answers such as 2, 1, multiple, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to select which one is the correct answer. So guys, the first thing we have to do is go ahead and click on the settings option right here at the top of the page in these columns right here. Click on settings, and now you will see that this will open up this new menu with options, and one of them, the first option, is going to go ahead and be called make this a quiz. So guys, to be able to set correct answers, what we have to do is go ahead and turn this option on. So turn this on guys, and now we have successfully made this into a quiz. So what we can do guys now is to go ahead and select the right answer, and we can do that guys by clicking the answer key button right here at the bottom of the question. So guys, go ahead and click on answer key, and after clicking on answer key guys, now you can go ahead and select what is the correct answer. So let's say that the answer is 1. Go ahead guys and click on it. As you can see, now we can select that this is the right answer, and after that just go ahead and click on done, and this will now be the correct answer. So yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.